My name is Kitty, and I am an explorer. Today's mission, the Great Woods. Okay. Maybe a little bigger than I thought. Objective acquired. Must catch the shiny thing. Almost there. You can't escape my fluffy paws. Wait, where did my house go? This wasn't in the mission briefing.
A bit far from home, little one?
I was chasing a shiny thing. Now I'm lost.
Follow the firefly lights. They will guide you.
New mission. Operation Go Home. Mission accomplished! What a day! Maybe tomorrow's adventure can be the couch.